So is that you're on it, you said?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'd start with the pipe over here.
Okay.
Pipe out of the way. That's always the first thing I always like getting rid of. We already got the carbonator out of the way. Have to turn the motor over a little bit to get the valves closed over here on the other cylinder. There you go. Now we're on the compression stroke back there, so we have to worry about the valves screwing with us at all.
Oh yeah, it just comes out sideways, huh?
What comes out sideways? The piston?
The head.
What comes out this side, yes.
Yeah.
Somewhere back there's another nut.
What do you mean? Dropped one?
No, I'm doing it right now. I can't see it, I just know it's back there. You don't need to see your nuts to take them out, do you?
Nah. You want me to get the one over here, though?
No, I got it. Ah, it's tight. It's gonna be hard all the way to the bottom. There it goes. There she goes. Still hard, it's going. Yep, there it goes. Got it now. Oops, that's off.
So that happened during the time I was fucking around with this on my own.
You were trying to make it run down the road and you killed the motor.
Yeah.
But you don't have any, I don't know why there's no oil on that piston. It should have oil on it.
Yeah, so I mean that would have happened eventually.
Back ones were loose.
Campaign job there.
It works.
Okay, and I dropped something.
What'd you drop? What'd you drop?
I got it. Okay, what do you want me to do now?
For the breaker bar. I don't know if you can get in there from the other side or not. The breaker bar. I haven't worked on a 900 in so many years, I don't remember. So see if you can get to the head bolts back there with this. It's probably going to be too much. That's not a head bolt.
These.
Yeah, try the one back here.
This one.
No, inside. Down there. In motor. Yeah, way back in there. You got access to it?
Yeah.
Looks like you do. Perfect. Pull it.
Well, that's tight.
No, I can't see your hands in the way. There's a bolt down in there, see? Socket right there. There's chrome too, look at that. That's it, don't break it. Go to the next one. Flip the socket over, see if it helps. Go this direction now, try it that way. Flip it over. Try it that way.
There's only one?
I don't know if you flipped it or not. Don't break it. It's loose, it should turn. Another bite on it? There you go.
Barely.
That's all you need, barely. Okay, loosen up the other ones.
Which one's the one with the talker?
There's one over here. No, it's 4 bolts.
Oh.
Take it from your side, boss. Your side.
Oh.
There's one over here in the front. You get the easy ones over there. Let's get the one that's up here.
That's right here.
No, it's underneath. It's like the other one you did.
Oh, I see it.
The
Okay.
back one or the front one?
I think that one was already loose, if you can believe that.
You're not on it. There, you're on it now. Is it loose? Doubt it.
Can't get to it.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me.
Okay, got it.
Not much clearance in here. You actually have more clearance than you do on a 900, on a 1000 motor. They're even harder to do. You leave the socket in there now? Nice. I don't think that's going to work too good.
Hey, actually, you know what? It's actually working better.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, you just pop it in and out of the socket and you get more crank.
It flops all over the place, so it's helping you. Alright, so get those all the way out. Let the 9/16 stuff go. So pull the outer two off also. These 9/16 here, see?
Strange how you have every tool that you'll ever need to work on any part of any Harley Davidson inside of that bucket.
Right in that bucket right there?
Yeah.
Do you think maybe I know which tools to put in the bucket?
Probably. It's cool because there isn't that many that are required. Except for...
Yeah, there's a few I don't have in there.
For special made tools like clutch hub pulling and shit.
A few of them that I know I need when I do certain things, but pretty much most of them are in there. This is hard to get to in here, but trying to turn the top of the wrench with my fingers. Yeah, they come over the snare you. Singing to you out there, you like that? Sounds like your buddy.
Tone deaf? Put his headphones on, he can't hear himself.
Yeah, but we can.
Nice.
We're not supposed to make fun of those type around here, but this bolt is still tight. I don't know what you torqued down, but you did not loosen this one up. I cannot move it with my quarter drive wrench.
I cheated.
I was getting about 15 pounds ago on that thing. It wouldn't move. So I think you lied to me when you said you loosened it. See, I loosened mine. It's out.
Wow.
Can't get my fingers on it, but
God must have made you like with perfect sized fingers and shit to like be able to get to impossible places.
There it is. It's coming. It's coming. She's a coming, boss. Oh, I got the washer and everything. Damn. Look at that. Oh, geez.
Skills.
Skills. Okay, why don't you loosen up the one I need to loosen up. So put the breaker bar back on there.
Yes, so.
Once you break it free, I can get to it with my mini ratchet. This has been modified to work in tight spots. And if you notice, I got the correct parts mix to use too. Because I know if you use this size wrench, it fits in those holes right there. See, it's about that high, see?
Okay.
Did it loosen up finally?
Yeah.
You sure? You said it was loose last time. Oh, look at that, it's loose. Look at that, it even works, see? You got the other two out already?
Yeah.
You mean I'm the one that's slacking?
No, it's my fault. I held up because I didn't really break it loose.
Yeah. You lied to me. You lied to me, 100%.
You can't cheat in mechanics, man. Your performance is fucking tells on you.
You mean how I knew that was screwed up over there?
Yeah. I can't believe that shit, dude.
Okay, I go too much further, I won't be able to get that out.
Last thing I had done was I had these buckets re-honed and new pistons, man. And I didn't even ride the fucking thing.
Well, that job was not done very well. I don't know why it's
about it.
I don't know why it's so dry in there.
So, probably the oil pump froze up or some shit sitting around?
I don't know if the pump is working right now or not.
Well, when I pulled this off earlier, it shot oil out all over the place, so I figured, oh shit, well at least that's
That's
working.
because you had a lot of blow-by.
Yeah.
Guess where the blow-by came from?
Not circulating oil in that
The
cylinder.
air that went from here through that hole into there and came out over here. It blew right by that. The rings are supposed to stop blow-by. That's what they call blow-by. So that's why those oil things blow off. You got too much cylinder pressure.
Damn,
Too much
man.
crankcase pressure, not cylinder pressure. Okay, I can't get that out all the way.
Hole in the head, man.
It's unscrewed. I just can't get underneath to pull it up. Get your fingers in there and pull it up. Put a screwdriver on it.
You know, not all people are created equal.
Okay, you got your bolts out?
Yeah. Hey, you scared the shit out of me, man.
Your head fell off.
But you're trying to kill me right there.
I was trying to. How'd it work?
Well, I'm still here. Hold on, I got a washer stud.
Why'd that nut go back down? I didn't screw that nut already.
Damn it. We're gonna washer stuck right there.
Said you had it on already. Here, hold on to the head before it falls over.
Yeah, I got her.
Ah, that was my finger.
See?
Rotate.
Be careful.
Okay, do that again. Same thing you just did.
Yeah.
There you go, that one's out. Okay, wiggle it again. No, this one's stuck. Toward me. You're jamming me in here, boss. There it goes. Alright, we're out. Okay, you can come out either way you want. Put that up to light so you can see past the bolts to the valves again.
It's beautiful.
Where's that wrench I had over there? I need my double box wrench. You stole from me earlier and didn't bring back. That's the one. I recognize it. Oh, that was almost tight.
Okay, now what am I really looking for again?
You're putting a combustion chamber up to the light. Oh, look how much tight that is.
Okay.
And then you're looking through the port, and if you can see light, it's bad.
Yeah, I don't see no light.
That's good. And you just warm Scooby off. Look at that. Maybe I stepped on his tail, I'm not sure. So this nut over here was loose.
Okay,
Did I run over your paws over there, Scooby?
does it matter which one goes on right or left?
Right and left makes no difference. It's front and rear, though.
Oh, that's what the R stands for, and the F.
It's for reject.
Ooh.
R is for reject.
Oh, I thought it was retarded.
That too. That would have caused this problem. And too much advance would cause it too.
Too much advance?
Yep. Too much advance, too much retard.
Well, I'm tired of it. I'm gonna build this
Just a
fucker
Mallory.
right for once.
I think the crank has got some issues with it. But it'll run.
I want it to race.
Okay.
Put one of those
Here you go.
super heads on here, man.
Super
Like those
heads.
ones you got in the back.
Super heads.
Yeah, make it like instead of a 900, we'll make it like a 2100.
2100. That would be pretty good.
I'll put those racing heads like
If
you
you
got.
weld two bikes together, you'd have 2100. Got the nut off yet? It's loose. It's loose. Not coming off yet though. That's because you had a nut on there. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Scooby heard that noise. Did you hear that noise, Scooby? Yeah, Scooby heard that noise. You got your nuts off?
Yes.
Pull the cylinder. Yeah. Keep going. Okay, hold on. Just in case there's more crap over there.
I think this one has oil on it. Seems like it's a little juicy.
Okay. Ah, it's got the same issues. Pull up. There you go.
I see oil.
Yeah, I see oil too. I also see Seizure City.
Seizure City?
Yeah, you seized it.
Fuck me, man.
See all that metal transfer right there? That's called seizure.
Hold on, let's see.
But this one still has the piston. It didn't go into detonation. How's the back of the piston? Look, probably just as good as the front. Oh yeah, on both sides.
So the scratches.
Oh yeah. Those scratches are called seizure. This one did a better job.
What's that down there?
What?
Yeah, no there.
It's a crankshaft.
Cool.
See how tight this one is? See how loose that one is?
Oh shit.
What was that?
Oh my.
Your mama said what?
Said, "You're a bastard child." Yeah, this one's really loose.
It has racing fit.
Is there a way to tighten that or something?
Yeah, it's called rebuild a motor.
Dude, come on.
See this one here.
This is the stuff of nightmares, man. This ain't my dream come true.
See, this one here has a little clearance. It's actually a little snug. This one here is the opposite. It's a little on the loose
Because
side.
it just got busted.
Now, if you average them together, it's racing fit.
I'm cool with that.
You have to average though.
Yeah.
The problem is you gotta loosen that one up, tighten that one up to make average.
Fine.
All right, so the motor is in need of some help, most
Garbage?
likely, but imagine you don't want to rebuild it. But
Come on.
it's let's see what we got down here, side to side. Why the light going on off for? Can I move this one? Oh, there it goes. It moves. I like that. That's a good sign.
Okay, good. That's positive too. You said, right?
It means it's not locked up solid on there. That's good.
Alright.
It's not like a twin cam.
Feels like hope.
Well, it's loose. I just don't know how loose it is. Minimum, you got to do at least a top in on it. It needs some new pistons and a bore job. And then the heads probably wouldn't hurt to be in the coil and clear them out because there might be some aluminum debris in the valve seats area.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't hurt to do a quickie valve job while you're in there. Any idea what oversized these things are?
I think those are the 80s or 800s.
80 over?
Yeah, because they were like, this is the biggest we can go. You can't go any bigger after this.
Oh, they had hundreds available at the time, but we'll have to go measure your cylinders over there. All right, throw all my tools back in my bucket so you don't take them.
Yeah, I've got your breaker bar.
Yeah, I remember that part.
I've got your 5/8.
All right.
And I've got
Socket in there too. Look at that, he's got a socket on there. My spark and plug socket.
That's it. That's all.
That's it? Are you sure?
Yeah. 100.
Oh, geez, my legs don't work anymore. That's a nice ratchet over there. Good thing it's not mine. It's a good thing it's not mine.
Mine. This tension's mine.
There's my wrench right there.
Screwdriver's mine. No. Oh, well, I didn't get that far yet. I was still working on that part.
Stealing the wrench. I saw that. It's probably dirty too.
No.
No, it wasn't dirty. I bet you it was. All right. Get out of the way. That always so Scooby can get through. All right, bring a couple cylinders with you, sir.
Both of them?
Yeah. Where's my tripod?